What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the spiced beef. It is a slow but rather simple and super rewarding process. You'll see. First step, soak your meat in clean water for about 3 hours until all the blood come out. Then rinse it, and then we're going to add our soy sauce in. I eyeballed it. Probably I added around 10 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then you want to add clean water until all the sauce is covering up your meat or majority part of your meat. Turn the heat on high and then bring everything into a boil. The reason why we're using clay pot for this dish is because we're going to slow cook it, and then clay pot transform temperature way better than the traditional metal pot. That's why we're using clay pot. For our spices, 3 to 5 pieces of dried clove, 2 star anise, and 3 pieces of dried bay leaves, 2 dried black cardamom, and you want to squash it so they opened up. 1 piece of dried aromatic ginger or sand ginger, 3 to 5 dried chili pepper, and then you want to have a little bit of dried Sichuan peppercorn, probably 1 tablespoon of it. Now let's check on our meat. So it is boiling. What you want to do is you want to clean out the foam that is floating on top. I've mentioned in my previous video before, we're cleansing the broth, and now we're going to add all our spices into the broth. 5 tablespoons of sweet bean paste, 5 tablespoons of bean paste, and then we're going to add our crystal sugar seasoned to taste, and then we're going to add our chopped ginger, and then we're going to add our green onion. You want to tie a knot so it doesn't fly around in the broth. Close the lid, simmer on low heat for 3 hours. 3 hours later, I just could not resist to open that lid. It is really good. It smells good, and it looks good, and it tastes good. So remove the meat onto a plate, let it cool naturally. Remove all the excess spices, ginger, and the green onion from the broth, and then we're going to save the broth because we're going to make spicy beef noodle soup for our next video. And now there you have it, our spiced, slow cooked beef, and it is so good.